Yo, what is happening with y'all boys, bro? It's been a minute, dude. It is currently May 21st, 2026. Um, as of right now, it's about 1 p.m. Got a couple of things to do today. So far though, today we have took a trade. Hold on real quick. We've taken a trade. It was a long trade off of NQ. Hit for about 500 points. Pretty solid entry. I'll show y'all boys it in 1 second. Alright, here we go. Good little entry. Where was it? Is this one here? Okay. Took this trade. I have a nice little supply zone right here. Basically just into here. Targeted these highs. Pretty good trade as you can see. The next entry that we're looking for is something like this. Looking for a reaction off of a new supply zone at this level because there's a whole bunch of orders sitting in this range, as you can see. So yeah, our next entry would be something like that, along from here, targeting these highs. But yeah, that's the trade we took. Hit for about 500. So far, for a little breakdown of how everything's been going, cause it's been so long since I dropped. Literally been like 2, maybe 3 weeks since I've dropped the video. Let me check this fan off. Maybe 3 weeks since I dropped the video. I've been fucking up, honestly. Shit, trading wise, I blew that fucking account, bro. But in these 2 weeks, like it took me these 2 weeks to blow it. But I promise you, for 2 weeks straight, I've lost every single trade. Every single trade has been a loss for literally 2 weeks straight. But honestly, it was a me thing because I was lacking a lot of the discipline that I was, developing. So, to each its own. That loss was earned by me because it was just, after about like the first 4 days in a row where I was taking losses, I kind of just hit that point where I was just like, the emotions started coming out. Then I just started taking trades for the fucking, just if any setup looked good, I would take that setup. And some of them would end up playing out, and then, I would just get greedy and want more, and then I would get stopped. Like, it would just be bullshit every single day, but it would be my fault, so couldn't even complain too much about it. But, that shit happens. We're on a 25K account right now. We took a loss, no, 2 losses already before this. We were down, but we just got it back up. We're only down about $100 something. We're about 1,600 away from passing this account. So we definitely, got some locking in to do, 100%. But we're gonna get this shit in. We're gonna keep trying to get this momentum to build up. Taking better setups, because honestly, bro, I don't even know what the fuck I've been doing. Literally just shit setups, like every single day. Not even shit setups, but just not following the rules at all. Like, I'm just trying to I'm being very aggressive. That's what it is. Very aggressive with my trading. Looking for any entry possible, and I'm taking them, and they're just losing. You feel me? Patience would have led me to take only A+ setups, and I mean the A+ setups. I found about 2 of them, but both of those were losses because of my greed and the want for more. You feel me? I would take out 2 highs and be looking for the 3rd high to get taken out. Like little mistakes like that. But it's a part of the game, bro. Gotta let little shit like that happen. I have a lot to learn from it, but that's the point of this, to sit on these lessons and sit on these thoughts and just be able to learn and keep going, keep pushing. The losses happen, but as long as I can keep pushing, keep going, keep fighting forward, even with the negativity, just keep working. That's all it takes. You feel me? But yeah, with that being said, my plan for today, I'm about to leave, go to a little dentist appointment. Then later today, I'm gonna go to work. Then after work, we hit a nice little chest and chest and try day. I haven't worked out in like 4 days, but I've been playing basketball a lot, so I haven't worked out, but I've been hooping a lot. So you know, to each his own. It's kind of it'll equal itself out. Um, but yeah, and then after I get home from working out tonight, I'll come back home, do some more trading. Um, you know, then after that, we'll get the day started back over again. Saturday, I might be getting into something. So, you know, if we see a video Saturday, like if I extend this video all the way to Saturday, that means that, you know, we're taking a look into some things. But if not, if this video just ends tomorrow, like if this is just a 2-day video, then, you know, next weekend, maybe next weekend, you feel me? But yeah, that being said, though, feel like I can get to work for the next little hour before I leave, and then yeah, call it a second. Yo, what is happening with y'all boys, bro? Just made it back to the crib from the workout. Good little day, bro. It's just been so long since I've been in the gym, bro, that, you know, I was a little lightweight, but we'll get back in that mode for sure. We're sitting at the markets right now. It's about midnight. I don't think I'll take any trades tonight. I'm kind of just watching. I do have a pretty solid setup in mind that I'm looking for, so you know, we'll see about that. But that's about it for right now. I think for the most part, I'll just sit out for this session because I'm actually pretty tired, and I'll just wake up in the morning, do it all again. So here's a pretty nice setup though. Here, I'll show y'all this setup that I'm working with. Yo, I thought y'all boys when I start yapping this shit. It's a longs entry on gold here. We had this here. Okay, so on a higher time frame, it was a pretty bearish look right here. Boom, broke this structure right here, pushed high. This makes me thinking it was a change of direction. Drew this supply zone up right here. I didn't take this trade because I was in another trade at the time, but drew this up for a longs and then target these highs. That trade ended up playing out. We have a new supply zone sitting in this area. So kind of just gonna see if price can lead down pretty quickly, come into my area, and we look for an entry about here. Our stop loss is just, you know, anywhere under here is fine, but I'm gonna just sit it about right here. Then I'll be targeting these highs. Simple trade, little 1 to 2.78 ratio, risk to reward. So pretty comfortable with that. We'll let it play out. So if I end up taking this trade tonight, y'all see it. But if not, I'll probably end up just calling it a night. Then tomorrow, wake up early, get back into the markets, and from there, call that shit a day. Yeah, for lock back in. I just got my Meta glasses back after like months, bro. So I'm gonna start dropping Meta glasses videos back on TikTok. I was tapping with that BD_trade, same thing as the TikTok, I mean the YouTube, and then there's funded 6RANDON. Yeah. With that being said, though, I'm gonna lock in for the rest of the night. I'll call it a night, then tap in with y'all boys tomorrow. Hey, what's good with y'all boys? So it's currently the next morning. We're in this gold trade. We got in right here last night at about midnight. No, about 1 a.m. For me, it was about 1 a.m. I got in. Then I'm just kind of just been holding this supply zone for a minute. It's just been respecting it pretty well, honestly. So even though this trade has been taking a lot longer than should have, I've been letting it play out just because it's been holding this level so well. Every time it comes down here, it just bounces back up. So I was trying to see maybe I could get a breakout of this range, like right here. But I mean, at this point, this trade has rejected this level twice already. So I won't bet on the third rejection. So I moved my stop loss to break even, and then it's right under this low. So I mean, if price comes down, breaks, you know what I'm saying, stops me out, I'm fine with it at this point. Cause this has been about 7 hour trade already, and we haven't really been able to break out of this range just yet. So I'm just not betting on it, but just we're gonna hope for a breakout into this space. Like once we get into this space, we haven't even touched this area, so I feel like we'll be fine once we can get above this high. But I mean, until then, we'll just be sitting around waiting for that. So I'll let y'all boys know how everything plays out. I'll catch y'all boys in a second. Hey yo, what is happening with y'all boys, bro? It's been a pretty repetitive video, but we just got home from work. We ended up taking a break even on that trade from earlier. So right now in the week we ended up pretty just break even on the week, honestly. Because we took a loss early this week. I think it was like Tuesday or Wednesday, and then we got a W, a win Thursday, and then Friday we ended off break even. So we ended this week off, you know, pretty calm. As of right now, it's 10:38. Just got home from work, had a nice little back and buy day. I'm exhausted, you feel me? So with that being said, I don't got much more of trading in me tonight. So I'll probably just call it a night right now. Pretty early. I'll wake up early in the morning tomorrow. I got a couple of things to do. Hopefully I can find time to, you know, head to a car dealership tomorrow. Look at a vehicle. We'll see if I find that time. Hopefully, we'll see. But shit, we'll see. With that being said, though, I'm about to just start getting ready for bed. Just like I said, literally just got home from work. I still got on all my work clothes and everything. I'm just sitting at the desk right now, kind of just reviewing market from earlier, pretty much. But yeah, shoot. That being said, though, I'm in this clip. I'll probably see y'all boys tomorrow. I'll tap in with y'all boys, and we'll see how this weekend treats us. Probably just be chilling, resting. Usually, what I do on Saturdays, chill, rest, get ready for the next week that's coming up, next trading week. So we'll be alright though. With that being said, though, I'm gonna lock in, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in a second, though. Peace. Yo, what is good with y'all boys? So it is currently May 25th. It's the start of a new week. I just wanted to finish this vlog off from last weekend. We didn't end up going to, we were supposed to go to a car dealership. Didn't end up going because it's like fucking storming outside. So I ended up just doing some shit with my family and then getting some shit done. But, plan for today is I'm gonna just do a little bit of trading. We're looking at the markets right now. Just letting it play out right now. It's only 8:30, so kind of just letting the market start to accumulate a little bit of momentum right now. And then once we accumulate enough volatility, we'll start looking into getting into zones. But till then, we'll just be sitting there. But yeah, I just wanted to tap back in with y'all boys before I ended this video. What I'm going to be doing is doing a little weekly recap video. Soon I'll record that video. I'll just show y'all boys how everything's been going. But I mean, for now, it's been a blessing. We're still trading. We ended up breaking even last week, so you know, hopefully this week will be a little bit better. We can maybe pass this account this week. We'll see though. But with that being said, for now I can thank y'all boys for tapping in with this video, bro. Y'all boys been showing a lot of love. So let's keep that going. Tap in with the TikToks. Also, of course, BD_trades and funded 6RANDON. But yeah, with that being said, thank y'all boys for tapping in. I'm gonna catch y'all boys on the next one. Peace.